Okay, this is fantastic. We've got everything installed now, everything's level as we discussed before. Just remind you again, diagonals, really important. We've double checked those and we're very happy with them. Now you'll notice we've got one track suspension here. The reason we only need one track suspension is that we have tied the spacer bar through the spacer bar extensions onto the fabric of the building. And you can see on this side here, we've extended out here. And as I mentioned to you earlier on, we're going to pick up the next door by using this extension piece here. So that's tying everything back to the building. If we hadn't been using these extension pieces, we would have needed to put a secondary track suspension here. So that would have been one here and one here. This is the 2750 track length, all outlined in the price list and in the fitting instructions. So that's why we're only needing the one suspension here. You older guys, like myself, will remember that we used to have to put a fixing here at the front curb. That's no longer required with the 2.0 frame pack, which this is. We've done away with the polycarbonate extension piece at the front. So a lot easier to install now. Just the one fixing and tying into the fabric of the building. Excellent.